Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Mieko. Today I'm going to do mat exercise with ball for advance. So if you have any injury, especially neck, wrist, lower back, please be careful or maybe check my another videos. If you feel too hard for today's, please check my intermediate or beginner exercise videos to build up your body, and I will see you soon. Because advanced class, I'm going to flow, less queuing, but we flow and keep moving. You can of course do your own pace. You don't need to follow me. Let's start. Starting with the 100 for warm up. Ball go to between your feet. Tabletop. Set your alignment. Setting up is very important to get the good benefit from workout. Arms straight, breathe in. As exhale, lift your head and continue lifting rib cage, legs straight. Point your toe, squeeze your ball, and we start. Inhale, 5, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. Shh, 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 shh. Upper body stabilizing. Another 5 sets if you want to go lower. Last 2 more sets. Last 1, 2, 4, 5. Relax. And legs straight to 90 for roll over. Press your ball, breathe in, peel your spine. Legs go parallel to floor. Slowly going down. Feel the arms to support. Continue going down. How far you can go without changing your spine position. Before you feel arch, come back to parallel. Lengthening your back, bone by bone. Here challenge too, you can really feel core. Arms work. 2 more. You don't need to go too low your legs, but you wanna challenge yourself how far you can bring your legs lower without arching your back. Last 1. Open chest. Head down and back to 90 for corkscrew. Small circle, tailbone heavy, 5 each. Last 1. Feel the thigh engage other direction. 3, 2 more. You can stay small, but we are going to bigger if we can. Alright? And now we are going to lift, roll over. Turn to your right side down, right over your body. Through center, coming back to start from your left side. Continue same direction. For 2 more, just to 3 each. Rotation spine. Your pelvis follow your spine too. I can feel my arms, center stop, opposite direction. Left from right side. 2 more. Last one more time. Ooh, can feel it. Nice control. Center slowly going down. All the way down. Watch your lower back. No arching. Okay, we are going to breathing only one time, feet are flat and pushing ball down. Breathe in here. As exhale, peeling your spine. Ball giving you good challenge. Okay, now we go single. Right leg pointing. And you're going to halfway down. And up. For 5. 3, 2, last one, up. Now we're gonna extend your legs, come back, 5 times. How far you can go, you reach until your hip stabilizing. Once you feel hip drop, maybe too far. Last one. And switch your legs. Ooh, careful. 5 times. Up. 2. Working both legs. I'm focusing your left leg engaged too. 2 more. Last one, hold. Start extend, control. Carefully. If this one too much, you can even 2 legs on the ball. 3 more. Nice. Watch your pelvis and drop. Last one. Left leg down, breathe in, going down. Woo! One by one. Tailbone down, relax. Good job. Either. We start legs extend straight. Okay. Arms overhead, breathe in. Oh, I can feel my arms. As exhale. Chin to chest, just look at the ball. Lift your ball maybe 3 inches. From here, you coming up same time. Open chest, no C-curve. Going down, hover. Eyes above. Up again. Whew. 3 more times. I'm not touching ball to the floor. Last one, you can see shaking. Coming up, this is teaser. Stay there, lower your legs, lift, lower, lift. Focusing head stabilizing. 2 more. Last one, hold it. See a smile and relax. Good job. Stretch. Ooh. Nice work. Okay. So now we are going to plank, but today your feet are gonna be on the ball. You can be shin or ankle, but we are going to toe. Choose yourself. Make sure balance, hold here. Find your good balance. Then you can start knee to chest. If you feel too far, adjust yourself. 5 more. Breathe out. And try not to move your hip up and down too much. Nice focus. Last one. Come back to plank. Stay here. Last exercise for today. Adding push-up. Knee to chest. Straight. Push-up. And we go 5 more. Finale. I love this. Such a whole body workout. 3 more times. You can go deeper. Down, down, down. And push up. Only 2 more. We can do it. My face getting red. I can feel it. Last one. Feels great. And carefully, 1 foot down, another foot down. Oh, okay, ball, bye-bye. How you feel? I can't even feel my heart again went up. Whew. Let's lower your shoulder. You can see maybe I'm smiling more than beginning. I love it. How are you feeling? Thank you for joining me. See you next time.